My name is Fred Chin. I head up the radiochemistry efforts at Stanford University. We play an integral role with respect to developing novel radiopharmaceuticals. These radiopharmaceuticals are used to either function as early detection markers or basically also to monitor therapy and the efficacy of therapy for example, cancer treatment. All of us have been affected by cancer in one way or the other, either through friends or through personal events. For me, my own grandmother passed away from ovarian cancer, and so this is almost a tribute to her. Part of it to say that I'm doing something not only in the lab but also in a different venue to raise more awareness and also fundraise for a very worthwhile event. I'm a very social butterfly, I guess, and for lack of a better term. But no, I always try to find opportunities to not only get our folks, our scientists and fellow physicians together to just bond and build camaraderie. And we've got a fantastic group of people here, and it's not too hard to get together in the sense of hanging out for lunch or whatever. But I think this gives us another reason to just get together and hang out and train together, get physically fit together. So this jersey, I thought this is something that was in an effort to unify our group as well. We are the molecular imaging program at Stanford. We've also partnered up with the Canary Center at Stanford, as you can see on the sleeves here, with the Canary logo as well as the Stanford School of Medicine logo. In the front, you know, it's basically the MIPS logo that we have for the molecular imaging program. And on the back, you'll see the Stanford University logo where the pockets are, and then a little quote or a little less, verse here for, smarter imaging for better diagnostics is what we, as an imaging program, strive for. If you are really interested in doing something worthwhile, to do your part, to raise funds for people that are dedicated to providing patient care to cancer patients that are trying to do their part in the lab to help detect cancer early, to cure cancer eventually. You can do this part. This is very easy. If you can ride a bike, there's various routes you can do. There's a very simple, very flat, relatively flat route that you can do. You can do it as an individual. I suggest doing it as a team. It makes it more fun. You're welcome to join our team. Team MIPS, we're a great group of people, and we're going to train regularly, and we've got, like I said, a vast experience in our team, so don't be afraid about doing the ride itself. And join a very worthwhile event that benefits cancer patients and hopefully future cancer patients as we develop new science to tackle this problem that we face.